I really called the cops. How do you feel about that, baby? Are you mad at me?
Brian, move.
Are you mad at me?
No, stop recording.
What you mad for? Huh?
Just try to come get your phone.
Anyways, this is what happens whenever you hold on.
And this is his
What happens whenever you fuck up and handcuff yourself?
He told me to call 911.
Very much so real.
He said, well, is he at least dressed and all that?
He said, am I dressed?
What the fuck? I just got what the fuck is
Because look, they make it calls like that, and then it's people that got you know what I'm saying. They got what they like.
Oh my fucking god! Don't record me.
This is fun. Stop. This is.
I'm not the idiot you are.
I know, but that's why I was recording. But now that you just said that, I wish I would have got the phone on recording like when you called them. Anyways, that's what happens whenever you fuck up and lock yourself in these. Be back with the second half.
Basket out here.
Here we are getting in the car.
What is that laundry basket?
Laundry basket. Oh, that's the cutest to take out. Yeah.
Come on, hurry up.
All right. You ready for this, Mama?
No. Shut the door. You should have recorded that. He got stuck in the door. He tried to run out and he got stuck. Come on.
All right. Anyways, it's bad enough when you already go to prison and you handcuff yourself.
Emergency line. I said, my son. I said, this is really awkward and I'm sorry. I said, my son, 19 years old, was playing with handcuffs and put them on and does not have a key to get them off. Is there a trick to it where we can get them off, or does it have to have a key? He started laughing. He goes, it has to have a key. I said, well, is it possible to, No, they're real. I said, is it possible to maybe dispatch and have an officer stop by whenever they get a chance? Doesn't have to be right away, just sometime tonight. And he was like, well, let me ask you this. I said, okay. He goes, is he fully dressed? I said, yeah, he's dressed. Not even thinking about it. And he just died laughing. I didn't realize what he was saying until way after the fact.
Mama,
And then hung
Mama,
up and everything. I'm like,
Mama,
oh my god.
Mama,
What?
there's one over. There's.
Yeah, I
one
think
over
the
there.
officer, the security guard in here might be able to.
Yeah, you're actually right. Yeah, that's a good
I
idea.
don't see a cop, so you better help.
Or we go inside the library.
No. They're liable to call the cops on you, Brian.
Oh, come on.
Ran or something.
Thinking I ran from the cop. I got a fucked up leg and I'm gonna run from the cops.
Yeah, I'm sure they will.
I drive from the
I mean,
cops.
it's not a regular pair. They're like the black coatings on them.
Alright, we're gonna pause the video and come back for some more. Alright, finishing up the video. You guys are gonna love this. Well, I seem to have got myself stuck here. I was playing with my handcuffs and I do not have my keys. I blocked myself in my handcuffs.
Okay, go back, sit in your car. Let me come around.
Alright, thank you.
What?
That's a police car. It's an undercover. Alright. Now. Onward.
Brian, she's coming. Yes.
She thought it was kind of funny.
Pretty sad at 19 years old, right?
Next time you're gonna have a key, right?
We're gonna buy the key from because I lost my other one.
I mean, you're just have to go buy a key somewhere.
Where do they sell keys?
Those aren't even like real good handcuffs, man. You probably
I
could
look.
work out of
You
those.
see, I tried.
Thank you, Patty. You're so stupid.